glasses emergencies. Having your glasses break at an inopportune time is never good. I want to go over a couple things that can help you maybe with that, all right? Number one, if you lose a screw, so a lot of times we'll have screws like this screw right here, and this screw will come out so your temple comes off. A couple different things you can do. I've tried these out. They work pretty well. Number one, I saw this happen. We were heading out for a turkey hunt one morning. My father-in-law's glasses, the screw came out 4 a.m. in the morning. Nobody's going to be around to fix them then. My father-in-law's pretty ingenious. He just took a paper clip, drove it down through there, bent it around, and just tied it with a pair of needle noses right here. That worked really well, and so that can work. Also, taking a toothpick, sticking it in the hole and just twisting it in can hold those glasses until you can get someplace and get them fixed. That's a really useful tool. I found something I like better though. This really works well. It's the Shrinkwrap tubing again. I took a pair of this. This is actually a temple that's been broke right there, right where that screw goes in. And we took some Shrinkwrap tubing and put it over that area, shrinked it down on there, and this has worked really well. It's pretty strong. It works really well. It's comfortable wear. It doesn't look atrocious. The great thing about this is that you can actually just take a knife, slice this, take it off, and it hasn't hurt the frame at all. So if you've got a warranty on a frame you don't want to ruin, to void, you can do this. If you super glue your frame, this is one thing I need to warn you about. You super glue your frame, any part of it, it voids all warranties on it. So don't do that. The Shrinkwrap tubing can really solve that for you and do a pretty good job. Like I said, you can put it on. It comes in different sizes. It's cheap to get. And you can put this on there, use your blow dryer, shrink it down, and it'll fix a lot of these problems for you. One that's a little harder to fix, when it snaps right here in the bridge. That's a hard one to fix. We've all seen the nerdy thing with the duct tape or masking tape. That can work, that's okay. That's a hard one. You're gonna have to get a new pair of glasses at that point. But to get you through in the interim, you can use the tape thing, but something I saw that actually worked really well. I had a guy, he's pretty resourceful. He used JB Weld. He put it on there, sanded it down. It actually held for a couple days for him until he could get in and get his glasses fixed. Just a couple things you can try if you ever have a glasses emergency. Oh, one more other thing I'd like to remind you of. Sometimes it can be really annoying when the temple cover breaks or cracks. This can become really uncomfortable. That's really painful on your ear. Once again, this does it all. Shrinkwrap tubing. Put it on there, shrink it down. That'll solve the problem, make it smooth again for you so it's a little bit more comfortable. So if you're in an emergency, try those things. See if they might help you out. Let us know how it goes. Once again, Amazon, great place to find some of this stuff. That Nerd Wax, it really does work. So if your glasses are sliding, give that a try. Once again, any questions, let me know. Leave a comment. And once again, if you like the videos, please subscribe down below. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video today. We appreciate you doing that. If you found it helpful, if you liked it, once again, please subscribe below. Give us some comments. If you've got questions, let us know about them. We'd love to read them and see if there's any other ways we can help you. And remember guys, at Advanced Family Eye Care, we improve vision.